Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage mention privacy on threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage mention privacy on threads. Maybe because you have a public account and you don't want any other person to mention you in any random post because you think that it implicates your image, or maybe you doesn't like it because sometimes people add you or mention you in inappropriate things, so you want to get rid of that thing, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can manage your mention privacy on threads. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing you have to make sure is that you have already installed the Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you also have linked your Insta account with it. Once you're done with all these things, make sure you have logged in with your account on your device. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, we have the icon of the app, and at the bottom, we have few options. Right now, we are in the home section, and there you could see we have multiple threads. Other than that, we have this search section. With the help of that, we can go to explore different things. And here, with the help of this, we can create threads, and here we will find a notification, and this is the icon for profile. If you want to go to the profile, there you can go it. Right now we have to select this option because we have to go to the profile. Therefore, just simply tap on this option. Once you get to your profile, this is the interface that you will see. Here you will see your profile icon and different stuff. If you have done any threads and reply, they will appear here. And from the profile, now it's time to click on these two lines. As you can see, these two lines, you just have to simply tap onto these options. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will find bunch of these options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. Now we are here to manage the privacy of the mentions, therefore we have to go to this option which says privacy. Once you click on it, you will see this interface. First, you will read the title of privacy and find these options. Now you have to select the second option which says mention. Just simply click on it and there you will get these three options. So if you select the first option, everyone, then any person could mention you in threads, whether you know them or not. And if you select the second option, then the profiles you follow will be able to mention you in threads. And if you select the last portion, then nobody can follow or mention you in threads. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer, you can go with that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage mention privacy on threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.